Good morning, children. Today we are going to study ICSE Mathematics 1. Take out this book. Today classwork. Chapter 8, Measurement, page 115. Open the page. Measurement. Learning outcomes. Open this page, children. Students will be able to learn to estimate and measure short length using non-uniform unit like finger, handspan, length of a forearm, footsteps, etc. Next, comparison of mass. To order various containers in terms of their capacity and volume. Okay. Next, to arrange events happening in short, longer span of time. Now, children, we measure things to know how heavy, long, tall, etc. they are. There are many ways to measure things. Let's learn about some of them. See, near and far. First, many ways to measure things. First, children, learn near and far. Right side picture you see. Everyone follow me. Okay. See first right side picture. Look at the rabbit, deer and the cow. Rabbit, deer and the cow. Okay. See children, the rabbit is near to the cow. See, the rabbit is near to the cow. But children, see here, the deer is far from the cow. See, the deer is far from the cow. So I hope it's clear, near and far. Next point, thin and thick. Okay. See, left side picture. Look at the plant and the tree. See, plant and the tree. The stem. See, the stem of the plant is first. See, plant. Okay. And thick. So the first you see children, the stem of the plant is thin. See, plant is thin. Okay. The trunk of the tree is thick. Okay. The trunk of the tree is thick. Okay. So repeat again, thin or and thick. The stem of the plant is thin and the trunk of the tree is thick. Okay. Next point, tall and short. Tall and short. See children, look at the son and the father. Okay, son and the father. So see here, the father is tall, okay, and the son is short. Okay, father is tall and the son is short. So children, it's clear, near and far, thick and thin and thick, tall and short. So practice this page. It's very important. Measurement, page 115. I hope everyone understood this page. Now children, take out your school diary, write your homework. Today homework, chapter 8, page 115. So children, practice measurement,